Welcome to another episode of Shutter Swoo, a film photography journey. I went on the Friday of the 2021 San Francisco Fleet Week. After the parade of boats and before the Blue Angels, I took pictures of the airshow. I used Canon EOS 620 with Kodak Color 200. The zoom lens I used is a Canon EF 70-200 F2.8L IS II. I also use a 1.4x telephoto extender so I can take photos of the planes during the airshow at 280mm, which is 5.6x magnification. Most of these photos were shot at aperture f4 and a shutter speed of 1/2000. Some of the planes that I took pictures included United Airlines, Red Bull Air Force, Coast Guard Search and Rescue, T6 Texan, C-17, F-16. It was a great afternoon to take some photos of some amazing flying machines.